In this chapter, we will learn about Windows 10 and its features. Windows is an operating system that acts as an interface between the user and the hardware. It, it also manages the resources of a computer system and provides common services for other softwares. It keeps tracks of information regarding creation, deletions, copy, and storage of files. The first GUI edition of Windows, featuring a new user interface, was introduced in 1995 and was called Windows 95. Increased uses of technology and continuation research has led of the development of advanced edition of Windows named as Windows 98, Windows 2000, Windows Me, Windows NT, Windows 2003, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10. Windows 10, being the latest version of Windows, was released on July 29 of 2015. Let's have a fact file for you students. Bill Gates, he is the founder of Microsoft and one of the richest men in the world. Students, let's talk about features of Windows 10. Windows 10 is becoming popular day by day because of its new features and improved user-friendly environment. Some of the most striking features of Windows 10 are as follows. It is easy to use, more interactive, and the most secure version of Windows. It is much more personal and provides you with the ability of redecorate your desktop with the new backgrounds, themes, colors, and icons. The enhanced search tools Cortana enables you to search anything on your system or the web directly. It lets you play music, videos, write notes, set alarms and reminders, perform calculations and send emails, change wallpapers and lot more through voice command. The application Windows Store provides a bundle of updated apps including videos, music, movies, photos, maps, messaging, mail. Windows 10 enables you to manage your desktop and Windows in a better way. You can create multiple desktops for different set of applications by using the Task View button. Snap Assist is a useful feature that helps you to rearrange your windows to make best use of your screen space. When you snap one of the opened windows to the left or right edge of the screen, Snap Assist displays the thumbnails of other opened apps that can be snapped in the unused space. So you can use both the windows at the same time. That simultaneously, the Windows Hello feature allows you to access your computer by showing your face, fingerprints or iris. It provides extra security to your system. Let's know more. The snap features allow you to drag and drop a windows to a corner of the screen, thereby making space for other applications. Okay students, thank you very much to watching this video. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep it up and subscribe this channel.